Here's a clear, exam-focused explanation of the burden of proof and on whom it lies, especially in the context of the Indian Evidence Act, 1872, with illustrations and key case laws. Burden of proof, Indian Evidence Act, 1872. Meaning of burden of proof. Section 101 of the Indian Evidence Act defines burden of proof as whoever desires any court to give judgment as to any legal right or liability dependent on the existence of facts which he asserts must prove that those facts exist. In simple terms, the burden of proof means the responsibility to prove a fact in a legal proceeding. Two types of burden of proof. Type legal burden, initial burden, lies on the person who makes a claim or charge. It never shifts. Lies on a party to produce evidence for a fact. It can shift during the trial. Sections 101 to 106, on whom burden lies. Section 101, burden on person who asserts a fact. Plaintiff or prosecution must prove their case. Example, a claims B owes him 1 lakh. A must prove it. Section 102, burden lies on person who would fail if no evidence is given. The party who would lose the case if no evidence is presented must begin. Example, in criminal trial, if prosecution fails to produce any evidence, accused is acquitted. Section 103, burden to prove specific facts lies on person who asserts them. E.g., if accused claims alibi, he must prove it. Section 104, burden to prove fact on which admissibility depends. If a fact must be proved before evidence can be admitted, burden lies on the party relying on it. Section 105, burden of proving exception in criminal law lies on accused. Example, A is accused of murder, claims self-defense, A must prove it. Section 106, when facts are especially within knowledge, burden lies on that person. Example, a person found with stolen goods must explain possession. Important case laws. ESNO, Case Name Principle 1, Wilmington v. DPP, UK Thread. Golden Thread, prosecution must prove guilt beyond doubt. 2, State of UP v. Krishna Gopal. Benefit of doubt goes to the accused. 3, Shambhunath Mehra v. State of Ajmer. Accused must prove exceptions, Section 105. 4, Narayan Govind Gavade v. State must justify detention under preventive laws. Illustration table. Who bears the burden? Burden lies on proving guilt in criminal trial. Prosecution. Proving civil liability. Claiming insanity or self-defense. Accused. Proving alibi. Proving custom or usage. Person asserting it. Proving a gift was made. Person claiming gift. Summary points, burden of proof equals duty to prove a fact in issue, generally lies on party who asserts a fact, in criminal cases, always on prosecution. Exceptions, accused burden, alibi, self-defense, insanity, etc. Section 106 is important for facts within personal knowledge. Would you like this explanation in handwritten format, mind map, or Q&A form for easier revision?